Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Another frame on the ellipse from the conic section. Some questions are given to us. Find equation of circle when length of major axis, minor axis given and center is given. Also, how to find eccentricity from the given equation from the given element, and also find the condition of tangency. There is an elegant question based upon parametric equation. Parametric equation is given some sort of in sine and cos. Find out which one is the conic, whether it is parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. Let's start. Let's embark upon the equation of ellipse with center. Center is given to us, center of ellipse, that's R23, and length of major axis, length of major axis, length of major axis, major axis means 2a, it's equal to 3. From this, solve for a is 3 over 2 or 1.5, and length of minor axis, length of minor axis means 2b. 2b is equal to, so b is equal to 1. When center is not at the origin and major axis along is given to us, major axis along nothing, major axis it is given 2a, minor axis it is given this way. I am taking major axis along x-axis. I am taking major axis along x-axis. It is not clear from the option. You can take either major axis along x-axis or y-axis. I am taking along x-axis. Our equation is to be x minus h whole square over a square plus y minus k whole square over all b square. If you want to change, take major axis along y-axis, these two quantities will be shifted only, nothing else. Y minus k square instead of x minus h square, x minus h square instead of y minus k square, nothing else. That's our value of h, k, center. That's value of a, that's value of b. Put and get the answer. X minus 2 whole square, a is 3 over 2 square plus y minus k, k is 3 whole square, b, value of b is 1 square. Leave here or simplify. X minus 2 whole square, square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4, plus y minus 3 whole square of 1 is 1, it's equal to 1. 4 will be shifted to numerator, 4 times x minus 2 whole square overall 9, y minus 3 whole square is equal to 1. Leave here or take LCM, whatever the case is. If you want to take major axis along y-axis, major axis along y-axis, then what is the shift here? It will be here, it will be here. Our question sum, our answer is to be y minus 3 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. And that is the transition in case when major axis along y-axis. When major axis along y-axis, just shift these two quantities. Just shift these two quantities. As I have mentioned at the outset, if I have taken major axis along x-axis, if you take major axis along y-axis, just interchange these two quantities, x minus h with y minus k, nothing else. Ask me the duster. Oh. Question number next. The length of the lattice rectum is 1/3 of the length of the major axis. Find its eccentricity. Find its eccentricity. The length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum, it is 2b square. It's equal to 1/3 of the major axis. Is equal to 1/3 of the length of the major axis, means 2a. 1/3 of the length of major axis. It is given to us the length of the lattice rectum is 1/3 of the length of the major axis. Major axis. That the relation 2 cancelled out. Shift 3 there, a there. It will become 3b square is equal to a square. 3b square is equal to a square. We are asked to find eccentricity. Eccentricity is given by e is equal to c over a. In case of ellipse, c is given by a square minus b square over a. Now we have to switch b to a. B to a, from b to a. What is the value of b square from here? B square is going to be a square over 3. Put here. So our e is to be a square. Instead of b, that's a square over 3 over a. A little tiny manipulation. LCM 3a square minus a square over a is in the denominator, under root 3 also in the denominator. 3a square minus a square, it will become 2a square over a root 3. Square root of a square is a, so I have a times under root 3 over a times under root 3. A cancelled, so our eccentricity is 2 over 3, which is obviously less than 1, as it is for verification that equation eccentricity of ellipse is less than 1. Eccentricity of ellipse is less than 1. So our option in that case is 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Let's move to third question number 3. If the line y is equal to 4x plus c is tangent, tangent touches the ellipse, touches the ellipse. If the line y is equal to 4x plus c is tangent to the ellipse, x square over 8 plus y square 4 is equal to 1, then what is value of c? The line y is equal to 4x plus c touches the ellipse, that is our x square over 8 plus y square over 4 is equal to 1. Major axis along x-axis, major axis along x-axis, major axis along x-axis. So condition of tangency is going to be c square, c is equal to plus minus a square m square plus b square. This is the condition of tangency for the ellipse when major axis along x-axis, when major axis along x-axis. When major axis along y-axis, if that sort of equation is present, x square plus b square, obviously a is greater than b, then condition of tangency changes, it is to be a square plus m square times b square. When major axis along x-axis, a square times m square plus b square, that is the condition for tangency. When major axis along y-axis, when major axis along y-axis, that is the condition of tangency, a square plus m square b square. M square shift is from a square to b square. Okay, that's value of a square, as it is greater than b, a square is equal to 8 and b square is equal to 4. A square b square from ellipse, a square b square from ellipse, m and c from the line, c is c and m is equal to 4. M means slope, c is y-intercept. M is slope, c is y-intercept. M is slope, c y-intercept. A means major axis, y means, b means minor axis. We have value of a square, value of a square, b square, value of m, we are interested to find value of c. So c is going to be plus minus, a square means 8, m square, m is our 4, m is our 4 square, plus b square means b square is our 4. So we have c square is equal to plus minus 8 times 16 plus 4. 8 times 16, how much? 48. 4 carry 1 8 the 8. It is 120, 132. So c is r plus minus 132. If we can leave here or factorize 132, 132. Table of 2, 6 times 6. Again table of 2, 3 3. Table of 3 and 11. So it can be written as c plus minus 2 times 2 times 3 times 11, pair of 2. So c is 2 times 3 11 33. You leave answer here or here, it's our question number 3. So our option number D is the right option. Take care when major axis along x-axis, that's the condition of tangency, a square m square plus b square. If major axis along y-axis, major axis along y-axis, that is the condition for tangency of ellipse, a square plus m square plus b square, a square plus m square plus b square. In some tutorials, I am going to prove this thing as well. Okay, moving to question number 4, elegant question of this frame. In my opinion, x is 3 times cos t plus sin t and y is 4 times cos t minus sin t. Then hunt, classify, it is which conic? It is which conic? Ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, circle or a point? Let's see and find out. X is equal to 3 times cos t plus sin t. If I shift 3 here, x over 3 is equal to cos t plus sin t. That's our equation number 1. And second equation is given, y is equal to 4 times cos t minus sin t. Y is 4 times cos t minus sin t. Okay, shift 4 here, y over 4 is equal to cos t minus sin t. That's our equation number 2. Now, squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. by squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. By squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, we have x over 3 whole square is equal cos t plus sin t whole square, and equation number 2 is y over 4 whole square cos t minus sin t whole square. Now by adding it will become x over 3 whole square y over 4 whole square is equal, open this up, it will become cos square t plus 2 times cos t sin t plus sin square t. Open this thing up, cos square t minus 2 cos t sin t plus sin square t. On adding they are cancelled out, cos square 2 cos square sin square 2 sin square. It is going to be x square over 9 y square over 16 is equal to cos square t plus 2 sin square t. Taking 2 common, cos square sin square is equal to 1, 2 cos square t plus sin square t. That's our x square over 9 y square over 16 is equal to this one. Sin square cos square is equal to 1, sin square cos square is equal to 1. So let me write answer, as I am running short of the space, out of space, that is my answer is x square over 9 plus y square over 16 is equal to 2 times 1. I'll shift 2 here. It will become y square 216 the 32 plus x square over 29 the 18 is equal to 1. I have divided by 2. That's 32. Y square over 32. I have written in the standard form as major axis along y axis, as major axis along x axis. So these two equations, x is equal to 3 cos plus sin t and y is equal to 4 times cos t minus sin t represents ellipse. I have proved as well. It's my tiny effort to you guys to explain to you ellipse. What I have next for you, just wait and see. It's all by itself. Next.